skid mark in the parking lot from where this is what they do. They're out here doing spinner wheelies and racing in our neighborhood.
Suckers really want my life, it's not that simple. Wait, it's a baby 100 G's, but I already guess no shit. Double dribble, he gon' slip.
What's going on, guys? Me and Sis, we're loaded up, headed down the road to another job. If you recognize that I'm wearing the same shit as the other video, it's because I am. The second I quit filming the last one, we got a call for this one, which pretty cool that we're having consistent work like this. We're actually swamped right now. We're a couple months out. We'll take it, you know? Really good stuff. So we were supposed to be running to Soledad after the Ripper Shank just to do some finishing touches on a pitch job I had. And we got the call on this one. It's gonna be some sort of pipe discharge deal. It sounds like it's at a vineyard in Los Alamos. It's gonna be a 3-hour drive for me there, so they're mainly paying me to drive on this one, which is fine, you know? It's not that bad. I just realized it's like 2 o'clock right now, so by the time I get to that job, it's gonna be 4 or 5, which means we're gonna be late for dinner, right? But that's being a small business owner, or any business owner, really. We got the IDI cruising at a good 55. This thing, a fast old hot rod. Really, if you drive it any faster than that, you go through the diesel so fast, it's ridiculous. I want to change out the gearing in this thing so bad. Camping season, we dog you. Right, you're looking to get dogged out this summer, call them, huh sis? Yeah, she's getting flies. We're getting bored. Oh yeah. The old IDI, 4th gear. That's all she's got, but I think we're gonna make this hill in 4th. The grade's a lot steeper than it looks in camera. Creeping up to the top. She's losing a little momentum, but that's truck driving. If you don't like the sound of an IDI engine braking, then you're probably gay and you don't belong on this channel. Man, we got one down. I bet you it's also got an IDI in it too. Look at that. And we got traffic.
I woke up just like, you do remind me of this. It's so good. I'm more aggravated. You think aggravated?
Well, we're here. There's a reservoir somewhere around here. That's what we're welding on. Oh, we'll find it. All right, excuse the wind, but we're here. And we're welding this piece onto a piece in there. I'll show you in a second. This is the situation I'm in right now. Water's coming out of the pipe. They couldn't get it off, but that's the new fitting. I'm gonna get it tacked up. We're gonna try to weld it out right here, and hopefully I can get a root in there and not run into pinholes. There's your finished product. She'll hold. Well, me and Sis are back on the road. We're headed home. seriously retarded. I would have never gotten the blue healer ever, but my wife kind of came with it, so that's how I ended up with the blue healer. Like, I didn't like Sis at all at first, and then Lena changed jobs and she couldn't take her dog with her anymore, and she's just kind of a nightmare if you leave her at the house all day. So I started taking her. Now she's like my little buddy. She goes everywhere with me. She don't even like Lena now. That's how I ended up with this retarded blue healer. I mean, look at that. Beautiful. You can see now there's a hill. There it is. An old Pismo. Look at that. It's 7 o'clock and the sun is still up in the sky. I love summertime. All right, at the beginning of the grade. Oops, we're gonna take the cruise control off. We're at the beginning of the grade. We're already going 50, 4th. I'm gonna bank on her. We're probably gonna end up in 3rd by the time we get to the top here. I'll keep you updated. She's starting to lose steam. What do you think? I don't know. She might be able to hang on to it. I mean, we are all the way to the floor. I mean, what are EGTs, huh? They're just a number. They're just a number, sis. Fuck, alright, we might end up in 3rd. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. I mean, you want to talk, yeah. Look at, you're in the video. You happy? You want to talk about it, just a good, loyal pickup. These IDIs, man. Fucking put them in their headline. That's where they love it. Yep. Didn't even the temp gauge. Fucker didn't even get warm. Just loyal. These non-turbo IDIs. I've had 2 5.9 second gens. I've had a 7.3 Power Stroke. I had that one for 3 years. I had a 6.7 Power Stroke. I've had a 6.7 Cummins with the G56. This IDI right here just takes abuse. It's the slowest out of all of them, but you can just fucking rag on it every day and it'll start in the morning. It's not happy starting in the morning. It needs some glow plugs and some return lines. But man, I am impressed with this slow piece of engineering. But anyway, I think I'm gonna make a video on the 7.3. I'll get it cleaned up, get a good walk around. I'm not sure with the Welding skidder or without, we'll figure that out. But got that. I've got some fence jobs coming up. I think I'm gonna do some videos on that. The FXR is pulled apart right now. I need to get that back together. Start getting some wheelie videos out. Yeah, big plans. I don't know. Small plans, big plans, whatever you want to call it. Leave a comment on what I should start doing. Hit like and subscribe.
Skid mark in the parking lot from where this is what they do. They're out here doing spinner wheelies and racing in our neighborhood.
Suckers really want my life, it's not that simple. Wait, it's a baby 100 G's, but I